National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Pope County, southern Todd County, northwestern Stearns County, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sedan, or 25 miles south of Alexandria, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sauk Center around 4:10 p.m. Melrose around 4:15 p.m. St. Anthony and Gray Eagle around 4:25 p.m. Swanville around 4:35 p.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 94 in Minnesota between mile markers 118 and 147. U.S. Highway 71 between mile markers 147 and 182. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Weather Radio Station WNG 676 clear.